We're building our own house from the ground up, starting with all the utilities, water, power, septic, but we need to build a workshop first.
We've got to build a shed. Where is my skill saw?
You can't find anything in here.
This place is the devil's own playground. As my mother used to say, the devil's had a fit in here. We've got to build a workshop. That's pretty good. Got it warmed up pretty good for an old fella. And we are dug a ditch. Don't tell him what it costs if you had to hire somebody to do that. Thank goodness we don't have to. Power box will be in the workshop right there on that, in that post area. We decided to go with PVC, I did, because I don't know how to do PEX.
What kind of sink do you want? There's a really good one in the old barn attic.
Oh, there is? And we want to take the hot-bellied stove if you don't have any plans for it.
I don't.
Put it right there in that corner. This is just to keep the wind from blowing it. The concrete people say you need one, and I'm not sure of the physics behind it, but I'm putting it over. They say as long as it's got fiberglass in it, that you probably don't need to put down wire, but I've got some wire, so I'm going to put wire and some metal in there too. That'll help hold it and not crack the slab. However, this slab's not going to have cars driving. It should be just fine for people to walk on.
Push it that way. Push it that way. You're in control of the chute.
All right, we got to get it in the corner, and then we want to work it down.
The guy said he has to do that because his truck doesn't do it. Okay.
It's doing good. It's got a low spot right here. Yeah. We'll have a low spot long.
Watch out, Casey.
Take this. Stephanie, you take that. I'm coming over.
He's behind me.
Are y'all ready? Good. You tell me to stop. I'm just watching.
need to start going to the gym for real.
You are right now.
Oh my gosh.
Still don't want to trade places with me?
I guess I do, yeah. That was fun.
I guess it's heavy when you're pushing against
The
it.
board is heavy and the concrete's heavy.
That board there got slab.
Yeah, it's pretty fresh.
38,000 pounds of concrete. All right, Steph, you want to push it one more? Yeah, just enough. How about just enough? That's it. Oh,
right.
man. I think we're good. What do you think? That looks about right, doesn't it?
I guess that's about it.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be so huge.
I'm very pleased with this effort. The only way it happened was for the workers.